A revolving restaurant is the pride of every city. The revolving restaurant is the pride of the city of Karachi, as it is the only restaurant of its kind in Pakistan. The revolving restaurant of Pakistan is situated in the heart of Karachi, main Shahrahe Faisal, on the 16th floor of 170 feet tall Caesar Tower. It is popular both with the inland and foreign tourists. The unique thing about the revolving restaurant is that the entire restaurant moves and revolves as you eat. यानी ये वाहिद रेस्टोरेंट है जिसमें आप बैठे रहते हैं और रेस्टोरेंट खुद ब खुद घूमता है. As you eat, you are never in the same place, but this revolution is so gentle that it soothes your nerves. Every 90 minutes, you return to the same spot where you started eating. As the restaurant revolves, you enjoy lovely views of Qais Mazar, FTC, overhead bridges, and other high-rise buildings. The place is very appealing for children as they experience a new feel and thrill which is not available anywhere in Pakistan. During the night, the views are even more romantic. It appears that the Milky Way has descended on Earth. The entire outside view is dreamlike. Live dishes add an exciting dimension to diners' experience. You have more than 70 dishes to choose from: barbecue, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, continental, Mughlai, Malaysian, Italian dishes, salads and desserts, which are made by our highly qualified chefs who are ranked among some of the best chefs in the country, so that eating in revolving restaurant is an unforgettable experience. Our signature dishes: Malaysian satay, prawn tempura, Pakistani fried batir, Arabic paratha, Italian lasagna, and chicken teriyaki with Korean rice are the talk of the town. We arrange wedding dinner, birthday parties, and get-togethers for up to 500 guests at rooftop, while you dine in the revolving restaurant. We don't charge anything for the space. You only pay for the food. Even the decoration is free. The place is ideal for business meetings and seminars. We have specially designed menus to go with the event. Whether it's a business meeting or a family get-together, high tea at the revolving restaurant will be your ultimate choice. More than 39 dishes are on offer for our guests in the high tea fare at reasonable prices. The high quality of items opened the eyes of the people to great food. High tea is offered on Saturdays and Sundays. Few things that every visitor notices immediately is that the security arrangements are adequate. Valets for parking are always around, and that the parking is spacious and free of cost. 7 high-speed state-of-the-art lifts take the guests to the rooftop in a very short time. Load shedding is never a problem with us. A standby generator provides electricity during the power breakdowns 24 hours of the day. Revolving restaurant is visible from a great distance, particularly during the night. Every time, eating at revolving restaurant is a new experience and a new feeling. We all say that the pride of Lahore is Shalimar Garden. The pride of Islamabad is Peer Suhawa. The pride of Peshawar is Qissa Khani Bazaar. And the pride of Karachi is the Revolving Restaurant. इसलिए ये कहा जा सकता है कि अगर आपने कराची में रिवॉल्विंग रेस्टोरेंट नहीं देखा तो कुछ भी नहीं देखा. Visit us once and we bet you will come again and again. We are waiting for you with open arms. To avoid inconvenience, prior reservation is recommended.